The Grenada Chamber of Industry and Commerce, also known as the Grenada Chamber, is pleased to introduce TeDA, a life-changing multidimensional app developed by Sonover, a Grenadian software and technology innovation firm and GCIC member. In this video, we explore how to create your TeDA user profile. Let's get started. Simply click the TeDA icon to open the application. When opened for the first time, any button you click on the main screen will take you to the registration page. Now you can select whether to use an email address or a mobile number to register. In this video, the user creates their profile using a phone number to instantly access the validation code. Some mobile devices will even fill it in for you. Once the code is captured, add your personal information and click Next. The information requested is your name, email, physical address, and clarification on whether you are a visitor or a resident of the SPY Style. Click Next and we're on to the final step. Alas, we arrive on the main navigation tab, which houses all of your important features. The top left displays your profile picture, which can be changed when you edit your profile information, and the top right displays your personalized QR code. You can edit your profile information under the My Profile tab. Under this tab, you can change your display picture and update your personal information. Please keep in mind, you must allow TeDA to access your photos in order to upload them from your mobile device. Places Visited keeps track of all businesses where your QR code was scanned within the last 24 hours. The following tab gives a list of businesses that you personally follow, and My Orders helps you keep track of any orders placed with your favorite stores via the TeDA app. At the bottom of the list is the My Business tab, which lists any business pages that you manage on the application. And with that, your user profile is complete. We hope that this video makes it a little easier for you, our user, to navigate the app and maximize the benefits of using TeDA. This is the first of a series of videos and collaborations between the Grenada Chamber of Industry and Commerce and Sonover. So keep your eyes peeled on our Facebook pages for more information on staying connected with TeDA.